Hey, what's up guys? Chaz here with Battleborn Off-Road. I got my business partner Jake's 2022 F150. We're not trying to go crazy on this build. Jake bought this truck to drive every day to work, run parts in, and maybe hit an occasional trail. So we've got a bunch of upgrades here from some of the vendors that we work with. This is all quality components that we've installed in the past, and that's why we chose them to go onto Jake's daily driver vehicle. So the first upgrades we're going to be doing here is the new Icon Stage 4 system. This has the CDCX, which is a new adjustable dampening system from Icon. You know, they used to have the CDCV, which is still available, which is a single knob, a single adjustment to dial in the compression settings on the shocks. With this new CDXS system, we're separating the low speed and the high speed compression, allowing you to have more adjustments on the suspension to dial it in perfectly for your needs. Whether you're driving on road, you're driving off-road, you're towing, or you're hauling, you can dial in the suspension exactly where you need it to be to give you the best ride and the best performance. On this suspension, you'll see we've got two knobs here. One is the low-speed compression, one is the high-speed compression. You have 10 adjustments on each. So your low-speed compression setting is going to be your everyday, regular driving. As the shock shaft is moving through the travel slowly, that's going to be the one that you notice the most. Your high-speed compression is going to be as you're driving along and you hit something like a pothole, a rock, or a big bump. That's going to be almost like your bottom-out protection. Having both adjusters on there may seem complicated. Once you get the settings dialed in, it's really going to give you your personal preference of ride quality and the performance that you're looking for on or off-road. These coilovers are adjustable from 2 3/4 inches of height to 3.5 inches of height. As we are not lifting the rear of the truck, we're just installing the matching rear shocks. We're going to keep it around 2 3/4 to level out the truck nicely. It's going to allow us to fit larger tires without being too tall to get into the parking garages here in Las Vegas. Along with the front coilovers, we're going to be installing a set of the Icon billet upper control arms. These have the new Pro Delta joint in them. This new Pro Delta joint is a little bit larger, 56% to be exact, and it gives you about 14% more articulation, allowing you to have the full travel that these coilovers can provide. It's also going to give you the best alignment with adjustable heims here that allows you to dial in the caster and camber, preventing any bump steer and giving you nice smooth steering response as you're driving the vehicle. Along with the suspension lift from Icon, one of the first things you're going to see on a modified truck is the wheel and tire package. So we wanted to go with an Icon wheel to match the suspension. This is the brand new Nuevo, and it's 17-inch in black. I really like this style. Smooth, simple, clean. It's going to look great on this F150. Along with that, Jake opted to go with a set of the Toyo RT Trail tires. This is kind of a hybrid tire in between an all-terrain and a mud terrain. It's going to ride smooth and not make a lot of noise like an all-terrain, but it's going to have a little bit more aggressive tread for better off-road grip and performance, along with a more aggressive sidewall, giving you that sidewall protection, traction, as well as an awesome look on the vehicle. This is a brand new wheel from Icon. I can't wait to see what these look like on the truck.